Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Webpack build optimization for production. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have node.js and npm installed on your machine. Create a new directory for your project and navigate to it in your terminal. Run npm init to generate a package.json file. Install Webpack in Webpack CLI by running npm install savedev webpack CLI. Create a webpack.config.js file in the root of your project. In the webpack.config.js file, start by importing the necessary modules. Set up the basic configuration object. Define the entry point of your application. Specify the output settings, including the file name and path. Install the necessary loaders for your project by running npm install savedev babel loader at babel/core at babel/preset env. Add a rule in your configuration to handle JavaScript files with Babel. Optionally, install CSS loaders by running npm install savedev style loader CSS loader. Include rules for processing CSS in your Webpack configuration. For production optimization, install the Cursor plugin with npm install savedev Cursor Webpack plugin. Add an optimization section in your Webpack configuration to minimize the output. Consider adding the Mini CSS Extract plugin to extract CSS into separate files. Install the plugin by running npm install savedev Mini CSS Extract plugin. Include it in your configuration and update the rules for CSS. Add a mode setting to specify that you are in production mode. In the terminal, run npx webpack to build your project. Check the dist folder to confirm the build output. Test your application to ensure everything works as expected. Keep an eye on bundle size and performance for further optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.